3, 2, 1, take.
Hi guys!
You're saying welcome, then I'm introducing the topic. No!
Hi guys! Welcome to our channel.
And today we're discussing sex. So the question is, why do chicks find it so hard to ask their men to use condoms?
Let's talk about sex. Let's talk about sex.
I think the most relatable one is heat of the moment.
Yes.
This is when you're out there clubbing, or 18, and you spot someone who you've been eyeing. And this is your moment. So, men are home.
Yes.
And
It was not planned.
It was not planned.
So you have no CDs in the house.
There's no condom. But you know what? It has to go down.
I'm going to all the way.
Yeah. So I find like most people avoid the wapi condom ama that question because it's happening, it's there.
Also because maybe
it.
if umemtaka for so long and finally here's the chance, you're like staki any deal breaker.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
yeah.
I trust you.
Yeah, no kidding. Yeah, all right, okay. Wait, I'm sorry, who are you again?
So another one is fear of rejection. Like as a chick, you fear if you're insisting on condoms.
Yeah.
Okay, and the guy maybe anitikia, but you can tell like maybe it'd be comfortable if you were not using. Yeah. So you're the chick, you're like it's okay. As in, I'd rather give you without the condom, but you go looking for someone else, which would be like so heartbreaking. So just agree because unagopa ende to another person.
Our own insecurities.
Yeah.
Women can be so insecure.
And maybe the guy is okay.
Yeah. He's probably okay, but now when they're talking, alafu nasikia he actually likes it raw, and you're not giving it raw.
You hear people saying guys like love raw sex. So like when my guy is different, maybe he loves raw sex. So in as much as maybe mna have condom, una suggest, babe, we stop using condom. See, we love each other. See, we've known each other for a while.
Yeah.
So you find yourself, because of that fear of rejection, you actually now stop using condoms to show the guy like, nimekupenda, I trust you.
Yeah.
It's okay. Yeah.
When I was born, a wizard put magic on my willy. If I put rubber on my penis, the whole world will blow up.
Yeah.
Let me just say lame excuses, because there are guys who would say, I don't use condoms because apparently I don't come when I'm using condoms.
Wow. Or inani affect, like inaniwasha, I'm allergic to your. Wow.
And most of these times it's dead as
a lie.
You're lying.
Yeah. Because I'm thinking, kama inaku affect, you can find a brand which works.
Which works for you.
Yeah.
But easy way out is just to trip, guilt trip your chick, and then to just make her give you raw.
Yeah.
Which.
And they say it in a way like mpako na muro. You're like, it's okay.
And you're the chick, you definitely want your guy to enjoy and come and all that. So you'll end up sacrificing the condoms.
And the thing is, after you have sex one time without a CD, going back to using condoms is next to impossible.
That's a joke.
Once you've gone wrong, you're never coming back. So he gave excuse one time, one night, and you agree, Nivo.
Yeah, wasn't Kujana another brand? Ati now babe, I found another brand. Can we use this? Huh?
Be like, come, you don't trust me. See,
but we've been doing,
So yeah, so if you give in the first time,
jua tu imeisha.
Yeah.
You and latex,
you and condom, you're done. Stigma when buying condoms, because you're saying even if the guy doesn't have condoms, you as the chick can carry your own condoms. But then when going to buy the condoms, say it's very hard. Like one, when you find people there, you'd rather buy Strepsils or Panadol. or if even the person selling at the chemist anakuangalia zile za you're going to have sex, and not in a good way, ati you're going to have sex. It's like
napaka nauliza what? Unataka nini?
Type gani?
No.
Then it's like he's judging you. So it's like, and you're like, bro, can you just give me the fucking condoms and go?
I think then go buy at the supermarkets. It's easier.
Or even send your brother.
You good? I was just putting on my shit.
I don't know.
No, your brother. Who says the brother?
He's a guy. Go buy some condoms for me.
Obra, go buy me a pack.
Come with some condoms. Yes.
So there's another stigma in that me as the chick, nimekuja kwako, we're meant to have sex, but you don't have the condoms.
Okay.
So I'll get the condoms right from my bag.
You've come in a pack.
I come prepared.
It's a pack.
Yes. Na maybe hata imetolewa moja so ni mbili. But either way, I'm coming with it. So there's this stigma where the guy thinks, is she always ready for sex? Like, why is she walking around with a condom?
Yeah. Yeah.
That's
Inakuwa
not fun.
awkward.
Yeah.
Inakuwa awkward for a while. But
So
then, yeah.
this guy thinks, oh, damn, in your kazi
Ever
yake.
ready. Yes.
I am a huge supporter of condoms. For people who are not even married. Me, kwanza, even if I was married, I'd still want to use them. But we're speaking for people who are not yet married and you're not sure if you're exclusive with this guy or this chick. Because any of you might be having sex outside that. I feel like a really good sex is sex that I don't have to worry about getting STDs, worry about unplanned pregnancies, all these things. Like, I just want to finish with you and well, niko sawa.
Yeah.
So for me, whether you're coming with the condoms, whether I'm coming with the condoms, best believe we're using the condoms.
Yeah.
I feel like that's the most safest way of, well, being healthy.
Plus, it's 2020, as in, there's so much information out here.
Yeah.
There's no room for excuses. Like, go get that condom. Uangalia vibaya, they sneer at you. They even ask you, "Can you not have sex?" Say yes. Because at the end of the day, it's a real thing. Like, people are having sex. It's not like taboo.
Yeah.
So it doesn't have that sex, but in a safe way. So go buy the condoms. Make sure you have the condoms on you. Don't be afraid to like say, I have a condom. I have one. Can we use? And it's okay to say actually no to the sex. Usifeel ni kama amesema no ama kuna CD, and like if you're not comfortable, it's okay to like say no to the sex. Yeah, it rather be safe than sorry. My party after Form 4, I actually told you we had a bash and my auntie was giving us condoms. Yeah.
And I'm like, huh? I'm not even having sex. I'm not sexually active. But she was like, you've invited so many guys. I would rather, I'm not saying have sex, but if anything were to happen, don't
protect
yourself.
Yeah.
And by then I wasn't getting the gist of it.
But I feel like
actually,
don't you feel like not the next time, like maybe the moment we'll have sex,
I knew,
like with the condoms, it's a very normal thing. I can have the condom and I can tell the guy, can you use the condom?
And she actually told me, Mama, beba condom put it in your bag, go with it everywhere.
As opposed to no sex, no nothing, blah blah blah. And then so when you're going to have that sex, it's like you don't have a background, any like ukotu. Like the guy you have sex with no condom and you're there. Sour. But now with the information, you're protected.
Yeah, I feel that's it.
Enjoy yourselves, but be safe.
Be safe.
Yes,
that's the whole point of this topic. Like, be safe.
Be safe. There's no excuse.
Yeah. You'd rather face the stigma when going for the condoms than going for ARVs.
Yeah.
Ama going for just easy treatment as a mugonjwa. You don't even need.
When you panic the following morning, what did I do? Am I kimbilia P2? But then maybe you're not pregnant, but you're gonna kimwi. As in this, that stress is too much. Just be safe. To our ladies, do tell us what do you do to protect yourself during sex? Do you just wait for the guy to provide the CD? If there's a CD, do you insist on him using the condom, or do you even come with your own pack in case Anna kusikona excuse ya I don't have the shop are closed, suji blah blah blah, so can open a backup yako. So tell us what you actually do
in the comment section. And please, if you're new here, subscribe to our channel, like and leave a comment. Yeah. Babe. Stop laughing. And remember, don't be a fool, protect your tool. Until next time, adios.
Why don't you ask the guy to use a condom? So yeah, let's talk about sex. Siniba sasa ni graphic.